boxes within boxes. Look, it got dented up a little bit. That's okay. You gotta roll with it. Well, what do we have here? Voila! Yeah, so I probably want to paint this. Yeah, here we go. So check it out, gang. I got myself dedicated workspace for this. So let us proceed. And so the fun begins. Look at that. Let's take a look. All right. Guys, what do you think? Let's go on out to the elephant farm. Oh yes. I'd be surprised if this works. Well, holy hell, it just might. Oh, look at that. Wait a gosh darn second here. I could just grind a little bit off and it'll probably just slide right in there. Well, here's another consideration, is about the size of this gas tank. It's about twice as big as this little fat stubby that's supposed to fit somewhere. If Bernoulli's theorem is any good whatsoever, this should work out fine. This tank's for having fun. This tank's for outrunning the cops. So this is part 1 of the build. Leaving it to the professionals. Yeah, so leave your thoughts in the comment box down below. And also like and subscribe. Tell all your friends. Hurts.